Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. And today's layout I'm doing for 3 different challenges. Baby Got Scraps, Designer Deep Dive, and 52 Weeks. So, the 52 Weeks is a challenge, where we scrap our favourite photos each week for the year. These are photos of my daughter learning to sew. She got the idea she wanted to make pouches for wildlife rescue, so I showed her a simple pouch and she went off and learnt to sew them. So that's for 52 weeks. Now the other one is Baby Got Scraps. So here I have lots of scraps. Now I think these ones were from when I'd made base pages and I just cut the 12-inch page in half, and I've got lots of these 6-inch by 12 scraps. So I thought I'm going to use all 4 and do like strips. So they're my scraps, and my embellishments are going to be really simple. I'm going to just stamp outline flowers, cut them out in the solid colors to coordinate. Really simple. Now I've got a plethora of stamps here, and you'll notice everything is Stampin' Up at the moment because our Designer Deep Dive was to choose a company like that, a close to my heart, what was the other one? Stampin' Up, and there's a third, Creative Memories or something like that, to do a Designer Deep Dive. So a high percentage of what we use on the page has to be from that company. So I used to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so I have a plethora of Stampin' Up products. So I picked out a lot of floral stamp sets, and I haven't quite worked out which one I'm going to be using. I also picked out some for the leaves, so I won't be using this flower obviously. But the leaves, I want stamped leaves or possibly die cut leaves to use as well. So I picked out some that were purely just for the leaves and bits and pieces. And then a heap of coordinating, or not necessarily coordinating dies, a heap of dies that I could use leaves out of, or actually go with some of the stamp set. Sorry, words are hard. There's some leaves in here that I could die cut out as well. Some more leaves that I could use. This I think goes with one of the stamp sets to die cut the flowers. I thought possibly this as well, or this. I think these are Stampin' Up. I don't know because I've taken off the thing at the back. These I know are not. These are Uniquely Creative. But I was looking at that leaf there. Anyway, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to go through them and work out exactly which ones I'm using. I've got my enamel dots, and then I've got some doilies. I thought I might use a doily. And then I've got my alpha, which are not Stampin' Up. I got a couple of alpha sheets for my heading. So that is what I'm doing. This might be a longer video. I may also cut bits and pieces out and show you just the details, so you don't want to see me sitting here flicking through all these stamp sets to work out which one I am going to use. So anyway, I'm going to get on with it. I'll speed you up, put music over the top, and I'll be back at the end. Enjoy! Okay, there is my completed layout. So that is all Stampin' Up except for the doily on the bottom and the enamel shapes, which are uniquely creative. Everything else is Stampin' Up. This pink cardstock, though, I don't think is on, except the title's not. Anyway, most of it is. This, I don't know how much I'm going to cut out because it took me a long time to do this layout. So I may cut out a lot of the stamping and fussy cutting and stuff. But this pink cardstock is textured on one side. And when I started stamping it, I couldn't work out why the stamp wasn't stamping nice. It had like lines in it. And I'm going, what is going on? I looked close. I went, oh, look, it's textured on that side. Anyway, so I flipped it over and then it worked fine. I used a little bit of gold Wink of Stella in the middle of the flowers. And I think there's not much else to say. So in the description box below, I will link all the playlists for Baby Got Scraps, 52 Weeks, and Designer Deep Dive. And if you've liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.